Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are discussing your second lesson and that is playing with numbers. In previous videos you learned how to find the LCM. Means to find the LCM there are so many methods are there. Prime factorization method, division method, multiple method and factor tree method. But in your exercise you have two types methods. One is prime factorization method and one more is division method. So in today's class we are going to discuss about here exercise 2.3 page number 30 and third main find the LCM of the following numbers by prime factorization method. See here by prime factorization method means you must and should know about the prime numbers. Already you know what are these prime numbers. Prime number means a number which has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. So they are prime numbers. Then for example for prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 so on. So they all are prime numbers. So let us take one example. I will take here one easy example and that is 13 and 91. It is there in your exercise 2.3 third main B. So take here 13 and 91, divide this number. See here 13 is a prime number, so it is there in 13 ones a table, so you take directly 13 ones a 13. Next here you take 91, so it is 91 is there in 13 ones a table. So 13 sevens are 91, 13 sevens are 91 and again you take 7 ones are 7. You divide the number until you will not get here 1. Yes, so you divide continuously. So here 13 ones are 13. So here 91 is there. Just check it out. The 91 is there in 13 ones are table. So 13 sevens are 91. 7 ones are 7. So these are the sum prime factors of 13 and 91. So write here factors of 13. So that is 1 into 13 and here 91 is there and there you write 13 into 7. Okay. So see here, then here in HCF what you have did, see there you have circled only the common terms, but here you need to take common and uncommon terms. Common means the number should be in both the side, means it is the factor of 13 also and this it is the factor of 91 also. So the factor of 39 91 is 39 13 and here 7 also you need to take. When you are finding the HCF, no, you took only the common factors, but here you need to take common factors also and uncommon factors also. So here you take these terms only. So which number is common both the side? No, you take only one times. Don't take here 39 13. So here I took 13 and this also you need to take 13. So 13 sevens are 91. Therefore the LCM is 91. Okay, see here I used prime factors to divide the number. I hope you are getting my point. So let us take one more example here, 21 and 105. 21 and 105. So divide this number, take here 21. Yes, 21 is there in 3 ones a table, 3 sevens are 21, 7 ones are 7. Again you take here 105. See here, if then 1's place 5 is there means that number is divisible by 5. So take here 5 2's are 10, 5 1's are 5. 5 2's are 10, 5 1's are 5. Next you take here 3, 3 sevens are 21. Again you take 7 1's are 7. So this you need to know tables compulsorily. So please keep practicing tables. So take here 21 is equal to 3 into 7 and 105 is equal to 5 into 3 into 7. So just circle here common terms 3, but you need to take only one time, so 3. Okay, next here common 7, but you need to take only one times. Next here which one is remain? 5. That also you have to take. Then take here 3 sevens are 21 3 sevens are 21, 21 fives are is, yes, how much will come here? 21 fives are, yes, 105 will come here. Okay, so here the LCM is 105. I hope you are getting my point. First you need to divide the number. 3 sevens are 21, 7 ones are 7, 5 twos are 10 and 5 ones are 5. 3 sevens are 21 and 7 ones are 7. So just right here common factors. 21 is there, 3 into 7, and here 105 is there, 5 into 3 into 7, and next you circle the common terms. 3 and 3 here common is there, but you need to take only one time. So 3, next here 2, here common is there, so take one time. So this 5, multiply and you will get 105 as a answer. Dear students, here while solving fractions, addition and subtraction, you need to know how to find the LCM of the number. So it is very important concept. So please keep practicing. So next here I will take one more example, and that is 510 and 250. So let us take here 510 and 250. So see here, in ones place 0 is there, means that number is divisible by 2, 5 and also by 10. So let us see here. So divide this 510 and here I will take 250. Yes, so take this number. So I will divide with 5 here, because 5 is the prime number. I can't take 10 here because 10 is a composite number. So here 5 ones are 5 and here 0, 5 twos are 10. So multiply this 102 into 5. 5 twos are 10, 5 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1 and 5 ones are 5. So if you not understood this division, so I will divide this 510 means you take here 5 ones are 5, 5 minus 5 is 0, again you take here 1 down, but here in 5 ones are table 1 is not there, you give 0 and take this 0 down. So 5 twos are 10, so here 100 and I wrote here. Okay, how I wrote 102, I hope you understood. Next, most of the students are writing here 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. They are writing 12. So it is completely wrong. Next here, in 1 plus 2 is there, means that number is divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10 and here 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10 and 2 1s are 2. Next, check it out. In 51 is there in which table? Next, this number is divisible by 3. So here 3 ones are 3 and 2 remained, means 3 sevens are 21. Again you take 17 ones are 17, because 17 is a prime number. So 5 ones are 5, here 0, next 5 twos are 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, here 2 remained. So here if you not understood, I will divide here 51 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 5 minus 3 is 2 and again you take here 1 down, 3 sevens are 21, 0, 0. So you have to write here 17 and 17 ones are 17. Next, see here, so here the factors of 510 are 5, 2, 3 and 17. Next you take here 250. Next take here 5 5s are 25 and here 0. Again you take 5 10s are 50. Again you take 5 2s are 10 and 2 1s are 2. I hope you are getting my point. 5 5s are 25 and this 0 you keep as it is. Next 5 10s are 50, 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2. So let us see here, right here 510. The factors of 510 are 5, 2, 3 and 17. Next, see here 510 is there. So write its factor 5 into 2 into 3 into 17. Next here 250 is there. So write here 5 into 5 into 5 into 2. Next step is here, circle the common terms 5, 5. Next, here what is there? Yes, here only 5 is common is there. Then take here this one time 5. Next you write here 2. Next here 3. Next here 17. Next 5. Next this 5. Next 2. Why I wrote this all the terms? Because here only 5 repeated one times. Here next you take this all the numbers 2, 3, 17. Next 5 and 5 into 2. So after multiplying, I will get here answer as 12,750. 12,750. After multiplying these numbers, I will get here 12,750 as the LCM, least common multiple. Okay. So next, here I will take one more example from your exercise, and that is so next I will take here one example 204 and 168. 204 and 168. I hope that solved that example. I will take one more example 85 and here I will take 102. 85 and 102. So let us see this, let us find its prime factors. So take here 2 4 ja, so here 5 is there, means that number is divisible by 5. 5 1 ja 5 and here 3, 5 7 ja 35. See here 5 1 ja 5. If you not understood, then I will divide like this. Take here 5, 5 1 ja 5. 8 minus 5 is 3 and again you take this 5 down. 5 7 ja 35. 0 0. So that 17 I wrote here. If you are getting confusion, you do this as a rough work and write here its quotient. So here 17 is the prime number, so you take directly 17 1 ja 17. Next you take here the even 1 plus 2 is there, means that number is divisible by 2. Then take here 2 1 ja 2. Next here sorry, not 2 1 ja 2, here 2 terms you need to take because here 1 is less than 2. So you take this 2 digits, 2 5 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2. Next you take here 3, 3 1 ja 3 and 2 remain, means 3 7 ja 21. Directly you take 17 1 ja 17. So write here the factors of 85 are 5 into 17 and 102 is there, means its factors are here 2 into 3 into 17. So here common is this 17. So write here 17 only one time, so you need to write. Next uncommon terms here 5, next here 2, next here 3. 17 only one time, 5, 2 and this 3. So after multiplying this, I will get here LCM as here 510. I will get here 510 as the LCM. So this type you need to find the LCM of the numbers by prime factorization method. Okay. So here I used only prime numbers. In next, here it is there, no, in the long division method. Here I have divided the numbers separately, but there you need to divide the numbers together. So here in next class I will discuss how to find the LCM of the numbers by division method. In division method you can use prime numbers also and by composite numbers also. Yes, in next class I will discuss about division method. So keep practicing this kind of examples. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.